Hi guys! Welcome back to my new vlog. So it's day 7 here in Vietnam. And kaka-open ko lang ng camera kasi nakatulog tayo because of my sudden headache. But all good, I was able to take medicine. So now, kakain tayo ng dinner dito sa Alfresco, just close by to our apartment. And the order has been done and this is the avocado coconut shake. We have the beef salad as well here. So wait lang natin yung ibang order and then kain tayo after. We also have fries and calamaris here. This one is good. So good. Ayan, tara. So yan guys, tara kain na tayo. Let's eat.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. I messed up and I'm haunted. And if I'm being honest, I try to make it all stop. Say I'm okay, but I'm not. No, I can't help it. I'm so jealous of you taking the place that is hard. It should be me, but it's not. Wish I could care less, but I'm so jealous of you. Fighting, but don't let
Okay guys, tapos na tayo kumain dito sa alfresco. Ngayon, natin na lang natin yung ride natin papalit ng ating apartment. So, let's just wait for him. Kevin!
Ciao.
Xin chào! Okay guys, nakasakay na tayo. Okay guys, nakasakay na tayo. Pabalik ng ating place. Let's go! Thank you. Come on. No.
All good.
Oh,
Yeah.
come on.
Come on. And we made it back here. Akit na tayo, guys. Again, we're staying here at Republic Plaza apartment. Yeah, and it's just near in our new apartment. So guys, we finally made it back, and then we just need to set up our tool, and we will work. So that's it. Maikling video lang to kasi hindi man tayo masyadong lumabas kasi it's a Holy Thursday. So yun, magnilay-nilay din tayo. I just stayed here at the apartment, so peacefully quiet because it's Holy Thursday. So yun. Again, thank you to all the supporters who keep watching this vlog. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa video ito, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!